The really disappointing retail sales number taking a toll on the estimate for fourth quarter GDP. One of the bigger downward estimates I've seen since we've been doing this for the last several years, down 0.7 of a percentage point on the Q4 GDP, down to 2.4%. So you can see that a lot of people were over 3 because of the other data. And now this disappointing retail number, along with inventories, a little bit less influential there, but still a factor, down 0.7. And I want to show you some of the big adjustments that were made. Atlanta Fed leading the way, down 1.2 percentage points to 1.5%. Amherst Pierpont down almost a percentage point. Barclays down 0.7%, and Moody's, which compiles this for us, down 0.6 to 2.1%. Now we only have a forecast now for the first quarter, and that is now running at 2%. That's unchanged. People wait until they see the fourth quarter before updating the forecast for the first. So there's the slowing. I think the good news is that it's still a pretty robust 2.4%, which is above potential. But you can see that there's concern about the consumer inside this really negative retail sales number, Scott.
And the debate, as we've been having, Steve, as to whether it's a one-off or not because of those events that were taking place towards the end of December.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of economists thought the data was a little bit fishy. They've not seen drops like this before. There's another survey that we follow called the Red Book, and there's kind of like an historic disjunction, or whatever you want to call it, difference between the two, where the Red Book showed solid Christmas sales, and the retail number was really much lower than expected. So, and then also you layer into that what effect the waning, what is believed to be waning stimulus will have on consumers this year, and that causes more concern about the consumer.
Yeah. And the first quarter, as we've known from the last few years, is typically weak as well.
Layer that on
there. Think about that too. Steve,
exactly.
Thank you.